What up, what up, what up, what up, fam? What's going on, you guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you a walking tour of the places we've visited. This is just going to be a walking tour because I had an unfortunate event that happened. Guess what? I lost my vlog cam. Yeah, I know, it's really stupid. I left it in the cab the night before we went to these places that I'm going to be showing you. I left it in the cab before we went to go have dinner. Ah, what a night. I really felt like crying that night. But you know what? I'm just really glad I'm safe, I'm healthy. So that really didn't deter me from enjoying my vacation. So I continued along. Alright, so watch this video. I hope you like it. I hope you'll enjoy it. Again, I won't be talking much in this video because all the clips that you're going to be seeing in this vlog, it's all taken from my phone. I didn't really talk much because I'm trying to save as much space as I could because I didn't have enough space left on my phone. So I didn't really vlog myself. So I only took like clips. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the places we visited. Well, you might have seen it already in the title. But first we went to Pompei ruins. So beautiful, you guys. And after that, we drove to Sorrento. After Sorrento, we drove to Amalfi coast. So you're gonna see all those clips in a bit. But you know what? It was really far. It was a really far drive from our hotel in Rome. It took us, it was like at least 3 to 4 hours drive to get to the final destination, which is Amalfi coast in Positano. So alright, I hope you'll enjoy this video. But first, let's have breakfast. Let's go. So fam, this is the restaurant for breakfast here in our hotel. I believe this is the name. But look, check it out. This is what it looks like. Wow, you guys. Alright, actually the actual restaurant is all the way up there. I just saw them walking in there. Alright, I'm gonna go there now. So this is the restaurant for breakfast. This is where we're eating. Oh wow, look at this, you guys. Annyeong.
Good morning.
And after breakfast, off to Pompei we go. Alright guys, so after a 3-hour drive, we arrived in Pompei ruins. So this is like a park. There's a 16 euro entrance fee to get into the park. Also guys, we booked this tour. It's called Feel So Good Travel. My friend Kate booked this tour. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Our tour guide's name is Park Chebol. He's super cool. He knows so much about everything about Rome. So if you guys are ever in Rome, or anywhere in Italy you want to go to, hit him up. I'm going to link down below his Instagram. He also has a YouTube channel.
여자와 남자와 관계를 했던
Alright guys, so after walking around Pompei, it took us like 2.5 hours of just walking around there. It was really huge. The place is massive. It's really huge. We walked for like 2 hours. It was very tiring, especially for my mom. You know, she's an elderly person. She's 71 and she walked with us. She powered through. I can't believe it. Mom, if you're watching this video. After we walked around there, we had lunch at this place just right below outside the gate of Pompei. So we had our lunch there. After there, we drove to Sorrento. Alright guys, so we finally made it here in Sorrento. Well, you know what, to be honest, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. Is it Sorrento or Sorrento? But anyway, that. So we finally made it here. Looks really, really stunning, you guys. Oh my god, this place is heaven. This is like paradise, for real. After Sorrento, we drove up the hill going towards Positano, Amalfi coast. Oh my god, guys, so beautiful. You really have to visit it once in your life if you can, because it's really one of the top destinations in the world. It's so beautiful. Like, my videos will not do justice. But then again, I only took little videos because, again, this is just from my phone. Like I said earlier in the beginning of this vlog, I lost my camera, so the clips here are all just from my phone. So I didn't get to take much videos, so this is all I got. Enjoy. So after Amalfi Coast, we drove back down to Sorrento because we still had some time to kill. We had maybe like 2 more hours to kill. So we just walked around there. We had some snacks. We had a really good espresso shot. That was my very first espresso shot in Italy. It was so good, you guys. It was delicious. And also after that, we walked around. Sorrento is a really nice little city. It's like super quaint. It's tucked in, you know, the mountains and stuff. And also, I've had the best gelato I've ever tasted. I haven't had a lot, but per our tour guide, which also, I believe him though, because inside the gelato place, there are like a lot of pictures of the celebrities that went there that ate their gelato. Alright, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please make sure you click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it. Also, ring that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video, because I have so many videos coming. Alright, deuces!